This time we are going to talk about desktop computers. Now whenever we think of about a desktop computer, we normally have a budget of around say like 20,000 rupees, but here I'm going to show you a desktop computer which is for 10,000 rupees. The configuration is as good as a 20,000 rupees computer. It will take care of all your admin works like your mails, your browsing, your music, your movies. You can use whatever tally softwares or other softwares, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, internet browsing, accessing your mails. So basically whatever is your entry level work will be taken care by this computer, which is worth 10,000 rupees, which has a configuration of Auto Duo processor, 2 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, brand new desktop with smps with 1 year complete warranty. Now for 10,000 rupees you get this CPU, plus you get a 16-inch brand new box spec LED monitor which comes with 1 year warranty, including keyboard and a mouse. So basically this becomes your entire set of computer under 10,000 rupees. I mean, of course, whenever we plan for a computer it's like 20,000, 25,000, but for 10,000 plus 18% GST, that brings to 11,800 rupees. This computer is available at Systematics. This computer becomes so cheap. Would be hitting your mind would be, how can a computer be half the price? Well, you see, it's a chain from the factory to distributors to channel partners to vendors and then to the consumer. Now this chain increases the price from 1 to 2 rupees in everything, that's double the price. But when you buy it straight from the factory and give it to the user, and you have your minimum margin over there, so this way you make a profit of 10,000 rupees, or you can say for a 10,000 rupees you get a computer, saving half the cost. Plus to top it, since we are into this promotional activity, we will have it delivered to you wherever in India you are, free of cost, at cash on delivery too. My technicians will visit your place with the computer, install it for you, and in case you don't like it, you have a 30-day full refund guaranteed policy, where all you have to do is send the PC intake back to me at the address given, and we will have a complete refund done. This activity is in tie-up with other courier companies. All the computer information is there in the text box mentioned below. You have any kind of issues, my name, number, email address, WhatsApp number, everything is available down there. You need me, I'm always there for you. Call me and let me know if you're facing any kind of trouble, and if you have to buy this PC, get in touch with us. We'll have it delivered to you, installed wherever in India you are, and you don't have to pay any additional cost to this.